God actually wants you on YouTube, so don't quit. God actually wants you on YouTube, so don't quit. Welcome to My Time Community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And the statement I just made is actually true if it applies to you. God wants you on YouTube, so don't quit. Because so many people I'm coming in contact with saying they want to go on YouTube or they want to start a channel, get excited, and then something happens to cause them to stop. Maybe life be lifing. Maybe the thoughts and the ideas in their mind telling them to stop. They're not worthy of it. But I'm here to tell you, God wants you on YouTube. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Because if you know you got a gift, and if you know you got a message, you should be on YouTube right now. Because that gift is waiting for you to step out and share it. Because we talk about, oh, I got a calling, or I know I have something that can resonate with the world. If you know you have it, why are you not on YouTube? Why are you not on YouTube? You are a content creator or you are a consumer of content. And if you know you got a gift, you are a content creator that's creating content within their heart, which is your gift. And I'm not saying that you should be on YouTube just to be on YouTube. No, I'm talking to those people who know they have a gift. You know you got a gift. And I'm talking to the people in the My Time community. I'm talking to the people that's on YouTube. If it doesn't apply to you, turn the video off. But I'm talking to those people who know they got a gift. I'm talking to you who know you have a message. And especially those who know they got a message from God. If you know you got a message from something that you went through and you came out of, even though you might have scars to say you went through, that divorce you went through, that bankruptcy you went through, that type of addiction, you got scars to prove you went through it and you came out. And if you still here, you can say, I'm still here. I went through it, but I'm still here. That's your gift to share with the world that's going through so many trials and tribulations. But you went through that trial and tribulation and you were here to have the testimony to say, I went through that and I'm here. That's a gift for those people that's called, for those people that's called to you. The people that's assigned to you is waiting for that gift. Because in YouTube world, Google owns YouTube and Google is a search engine. And since Google is a search engine, they're searching for answers of the situation that they're in. They're not just looking on how to bake a cake. They're not just looking on how to fix their car. They're looking on how to fix their life. And if you went through that situation that they're trying to fix in their life and you came out of it, you are required to share that gift. You can call it your testimony. Share that gift. You can call it an overcoming season. You got to share that gift. Whatever you call it. Oh, I just got an idea. Share that gift. I'm talking to those who know they got the gift. If you don't think you got a gift, you have a gift. But I'm specifically speaking to those people who know they got a gift. Don't think it's strange. You saw this video when God said you are ready to receive this message. And if you're listening to me 3 minutes into this, that means you have to hear what I have to say to you. God actually wants you on YouTube as a content creator, not just a consumer. You consumed enough. You consumed enough information on YouTube about the things that you went through, and you know you have it in your heart saying, man, I went through the same thing, or I'm going through something similar, but I'm here. I came out of it. I'm here. I got scars, but I'm here. And let me let you in a little secret. You think nobody want to hear what you have to say? You think nobody want to hear what you have to share, the gift you have to share? You can just share a little piece of your gift. Share just a little piece of what you went through. And as you open up your mouth, you're going to resonate with so many people because they're not listening to you. They're looking at you to see if you have any part of the scars that they are going through. If you've been through an addiction, Only somebody who's been through an addiction can speak to somebody who's in an addiction trying to get out. Because you got the scars to prove that you was in the same situation. They can look at you and say, there's something about that person. Oh, they got the scars of that addiction that I'm going through. Oh man, I can hear what they have to say because it resonates with me. I'm speaking to you, specifically to you. I want you to get this in your heart that you will release that gift. Hashtag release the gift. Type in the comment section. You know you got a gift. Hashtag release the gift. Because the world is waiting for you. And not only the world, those that's assigned to you is waiting for you. That's why God said he actually wants you on YouTube. So don't quit. He wants you on YouTube as a content creator, not just a consumer. So don't quit. He wants you to share the gift from the authenticity of your heart. Share that gift. Because those that's assigned to you are waiting for you. And since they're waiting for you, it's up to you to release it. I challenge you now. Release your gift. I challenge you now. Release a short. If you don't want to do a long form video, release a short. You need 50 subscribers to do a live. We're going to talk about doing a live in another video. But I want you to release a video. If you don't want to release a 5-minute video or 3-minute video, release a short. Release a 3-minute short. And watch how many people resonate with your gift. Type in the comment section, hashtag short. Hashtag short. If you're going to get in on this to release your gift through YouTube, because God actually wants you on YouTube as a content creator, not a consumer, type in the comment section, hashtag release my gift. That's all I want to talk to you today about. Because I know so many of you are struggling like I struggled. I want a YouTube channel. I want to get on YouTube. I kept letting Mr. Procrastination tell me you could do it tomorrow. No, you have to do this now. You got to be uncomfortable being uncomfortable. Because you're saying to yourself, man, I could wait. I'm comfortable now. Oh man. You got to be comfortable being uncomfortable. So let's get on YouTube as a content creator, not just a consumer, because you have a gift. Because God actually wants you on YouTube. So don't quit. This is Anthony, My Time, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And I want you to grow your life as you grow your YouTube channel. So as I always tell everybody, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.